Have you ever wanted to customize your website's header, only to find that one pesky element just won't disappear when you need it to? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to catch routes in Angular's ngIf. I totally get it. It can be super frustrating when you want to hide an element based on the current route, but the code just doesn't seem to work. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I make an anchor element in my header disappear when I hit the /home page?" They mentioned that they want to keep the header consistent across all pages, but hide that anchor element specifically for the /home route. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this issue? The ngIf directive is powerful, but it needs the right conditions to work. We'll break down how to properly catch the current route and use it effectively in your Angular application. And don't go anywhere. I've got a handy tip at the end that will make your Angular development even smoother. To hide the anchor element when the user is on the home page, the first step is to use Angular's router to check the current route. The user can do this by injecting the router into their component. Next, the user should create a method to check the current URL. This method will return a Boolean value indicating whether the current route is /home. Now the user can use this method in the template with the ngIf directive. This will conditionally display the anchor element based on the current route. Finally, the user should test the application to ensure that the anchor element disappears when navigating to the home page. This can be done by running the application and checking the header. Fun fact, did you know that Angular was developed by Google? It's a powerful framework that makes building dynamic web applications a breeze. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using the router service in Angular. They suggest checking the current URL directly in the ngIf directive. In your component, you can inject the router and then use this .router.url to compare it with your desired route. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always remember to unsubscribe from router events to avoid memory leaks. This small step can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. You should now be able to hide that anchor element in your header when on this home page. Remember, mastering Angular takes practice, so keep experimenting. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus tip on optimizing your Angular applications.